So we are at test plan, right?
Yeah.
So what is test plan?
It is a document that
Document drives all the feature testing activities.
Not
Yeah.
feature, future. It is
Future,
not a
sorry.
feature.
Sorry, not my bad.
Yeah.
Future.
Okay, next. Who will write?
attributes of test plan.
Yeah.
The first is objective.
Hmm.
Second is scope.
Hmm.
Third is test methodology.
Hmm.
Fourth is test approach.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Fifth is assumption. Sixth is risk.
Seventh is backup plan.
Hmm.
Eighth is roles and responsibilities.
Hmm.
Ninth is scheduling.
Hmm.
10th is defect tracking.
Hmm.
11th is test bed.
Okay. Test bed
Yeah.
Yeah.
or environment.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So what do you mean by test bed or environment? You heard this name already
Yeah.
while doing system testing. So
Yeah.
what do you mean by test bed? So it is nothing but the configuration.
Okay.
Okay. So we are planning the configuration of the server. Okay. What is the server configuration? Testing server. Testing server similar to the production server. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And there is something called as test engineer's laptop also.
Yeah.
There also the configuration should be there. No? So it's a combination of hardware and software.
Yeah.
So for testing server, what should be the hardware and software configuration? Testing server similar to production server, what is the hardware and software configuration? And laptop. So that is what we will initially discuss and we will prepare it. Test plan. In the test plan only, we will decide. Got it? So let us see what are the combinations are there or how. I'm just taken one example, okay? So we have taken an example of testing server similar to production server, okay? So now the name we have, you can take anything. We have taken Sunstar Cat, okay, one of the server, where Linux, it is, the operating system will be Linux, RAM will be 1000 TB, and web server will be Apache Tomcat, hardware 10,000 TB, app server will be web space or what is
Sphere.
this? Web space. Okay.
Web sphere.
Next, yeah. Next database server is Oracle database. Okay.
Okay.
This is the configuration we are selecting for testing server, similar to production server. Next, what is the configuration you are taking for the testing server? We are taking a simple configuration. Maybe you can take any of the desktop. See, your laptop is also one of the server. Okay, keep in your mind.
Yeah.
So they're using a i7 processor with Windows 10. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is something called as client system or software. Client system or software means here client is test engineer only. Okay. Here client will be test engineer only. This is your laptop. Okay.
Yeah.
This is your laptop. Your laptop configuration is i7 processor, Windows 10, Windows 10 Enterprise OS version, and RAM will be 8 GB RAM.
Yeah.
Understood? So this is test engineer's configuration, and these are the servers. This is testing server configuration, and this is a testing server similar to production server configuration. Just we have given some example for your understanding. Got
Yeah.
it? So test bed means testing environment. We are planning in the test plan before itself. It means we know that testing server similar to production server is also required.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So we have to
Yeah.
do the system testing.
Yeah.
So we know some basic testing platform is required. And also we need a test engineer, a laptop configuration, everything with the window version as well. Windows 10 only. See here, Windows 10 only.
Mm-hmm.
Got
Yeah.
it? Configuration testing or compatibility testing, base platform, Windows 10,
Yeah.
Windows 10. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
everything we will be deciding in the test plan only. Now we are not missing anything because it drives all the future testing activities. So I don't want to mess up at the end.
Yeah.
So initially itself, I am collecting everything. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now take the screenshot of this.
Mm-hmm.
Done?
Yeah.
Now take the screenshot. Now let us see, once after test bed or testing environment, next will be entry and exit criteria. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what do you mean by entry criteria? Always, if you want to do any of the testing, okay, there are few entry criteria. First one will be requirement should be present. Without requirement, can you do the testing?
No.
No, you cannot.
So can I tell that is the entry criteria?
Yes.
So coding should be done.
Mm-hmm.
Without coding, you can't test, or if you have a requirement also, it's waste, no?
Mm-hmm.
Next, white box testing should be done,
Mm-hmm.
or else you will find n number of defects. Testing will be very difficult that time.
Mm-hmm.
Next, software should be developed. It means compilation and compression should be developed, done. So software should be developed. Once after software is developed, software should be installed in server. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now entry criteria for smoke testing or functional testing I'm taking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if I want to do functional testing, obviously these things are very important. So software is installed. So if you want to do the functional testing, smoke testing should be done.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So how can you do the smoke testing? Should be done means not possible. So smoke scenarios, smoke test cases are executed that you can tell. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, functional testing scenarios and test cases should be available. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Then only you can do the testing. All these things are there, but functional test scenarios only not there. Then what is the use?
Yeah.
All are there, but you have not done the smoke testing. Can I do? Without doing smoke testing, can I
No.
directly do functional testing?
No.
No.
Software
Okay.
only not developed. Can I do testing?
Yeah.
Huh?
No. No.
Software only not developed. So white box testing only not done. Can you do testing?
No.
No.
Coding only not completed. Can you do? So
No.
entry criteria is very important. Each and every step should be done properly.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the exit criteria?
Okay.
What will be exit criteria of the functional testing?
Mm-hmm.
So functional test cases So functional test cases executed, okay,
Mm-hmm.
per test cases passed percentage should be above 80%. It means you have written 80 scenarios, okay,
Mm-hmm.
or 100 scenarios you have written. But how many you executed? Out of 80, 40 you are executed. Let me take an example. So in
Okay.
that 40 test cases, about
Mm-hmm.
80% of the test cases should be passed. Got it?
Yeah.
So let me give an example. So 100 test cases you have written.
Yeah.
You executed 70 test cases.
Okay.
So total how many written? 100.
100.
In that 70 test cases executed.
Yeah.
In that 80% should be pass.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Understood? Huh?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
80% how it can pass means I will tell you. So we will find a defects, right? So there will be a blocker,
Hmm.
critical, major, and minor. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the blocker defects should be 1 or 2,
Yeah.
or let us take 4, max to max. Okay.
Yeah.
Critical defects some 2,
Mm-hmm.
major defects 8, minor defects 12. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So count it. 4 plus 2, how much?
6.
6. 6 plus 8,
14.
14.
14. Huh? So 14 plus 12,
26.
26. Huh?
26
So
altogether.
20. So 26 into, where is into? Okay, into
Mm-hmm.
70 by 100. Yes or no? Is equal to
Okay.
how much? What is the percentage? Do calculation no one, or else wait, I will do. How to do percentage? Same, no?
18.2%.
20, 18,
18.2%.
26. Wait, maybe something I have written. Then 70 by 26 into 100 you do.
Okay. 70 by 26 into 100.
How long? Okay.
That will be a very big number, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So what is the percentage, guys? How to do percentage? No.
So you're doing the right
70.
thing. Percentage is always out of 100 for the percentage value you're taking. So it is 70 by 100 times what number? So you're right.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 26 into 70 by 100, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
So it will be 18%, right?
yeah.
It is not 18%.
26. 7.
70 minus 26%. It is 51%, guys. Okay.
Mhm.
Total 50, no, not 51 also. Oh, yeah, 25, 50. No, not 51%. 18%.
Yeah.
Out of 70, 1 second, minus what happened to me today? 44. 44 means 26. I think 60% something will get, guys. Percentage how to do? I forgot, or am I doing correctly?
Sir, you're doing right, sir.
then it is 18% only, no?
Yeah.
Maybe 18 minus again 100, I think. So it
18
will come
minus
around
100.
how
You
much?
cannot do 18 minus 100, right? You can do 100 minus 18.
Something like that. 100 minus 18, it will be like 88%, huh? Not 88% as.
18. Yeah.
Okay, wait. I will do
Mhm.
once again.
Okay.
6. So 12 plus 6, 18, 26, correct. 26 minus or 70 minus 26. 70 out of 70 minus 26 by 100. Now do. %. Okay. Yeah, now
Mhm.
correct. So 69% of the test cases passed. Got it?
Mhm.
Understood? So total number of test cases minus total number of test cases failed by 100 is equal to test case passed percentage. Okay. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Understood or not?
Total number of.
69.74. Total number of test cases executed.
Mhm.
Okay, total number of test cases executed minus number of test cases failed.
Failed. Got it.
Failed by number of test cases passing percentage. Okay, by this one you
Mhm.
just leave. Just definition you write. Okay.
Mhm.
So total number of test cases you executed is 70. In that 70, 26 are failed. It means 67%. Out of 80%,
Mhm.
see, it should be above 80% passing percentage, but now passing percentage is 69%. Okay. It means
Mhm.
what I have to do to improve this means I should communicate the developer to fix these defects. Got it?
Yeah.
Unless this is done. So now 4 blocker is there. Assume he fixed 2. 1 he fixed. Out of 8 he fixed. Now he is having only 6. And major we have only, minor we have only 8.
12.
Okay,
Minus
or 8.
12, major 8.
So 2, 3, 9, 17. Yes or no?
Mm.
So 70 minus 17 divided by 100, how much is equal to? 70 minus 17 is equal to 53
And
divided
divided
by,
by 100.
yes,
It comes up to 0.50.
0.53.
70, 1 second, 70 minus 17 percentage of 100. Mhm. How it is 53? Something I'm doing wrong that I can see,
Mhm.
but how I am not getting 70 minus 26, 44 divided by 100. No, not like that. How I got 69? Same, no? 70 minus 26.
Sir, that 70 minus 26 is 44.
Yeah. And if you divide by 100,
That's 0.44.
it's 0.44. So that one is kind of off as well.
number of test cases executed minus number of test cases failed. 53 out of 70, 53 is passed by 100. Now again it is trying 67. 70 minus 26. Okay, I will give you the calculation properly. Okay, I think I'm missing somewhere some logic. Number of test cases executed minus number of test cases or 26 by, wait, and 26 by 70 into 100, 37. Okay. 70.
Sir, I think the number of test cases that we are showing as failed should be 14. Then
This 14.
sir, yeah.
No,
So instead
no,
of 26,
that is
Yeah.
total fine minus 124. 1 second.
Yeah.
75% is passed. So 26 by 70. Okay. Into 100. Now see.
mhm,
So total number of test cases failed by total number of test cases executed into 100.
that
means
is 37%. Yeah.
37% of test cases are failed now. We got a failed percentage. 37.14% of test cases are failed.
Mhm,
Got it? So how can you make it as a passed?
mhm.
Minus 100. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So got it? Logic.
Yeah.
So 37. So 100 minus 100 is the total number minus 37.14.
Mhm.
How much?
62.86.
Yeah. So 62 point test cases are passed now.
Mhm,
Got it? Huh?
mhm,
So if you add both this 62 plus 37, it will become 100. Got it?
mhm, mhm.
Similarly, now 17 by 70, 17 are passed out of 70 into
Mhm.
100. Got it? Now do. How much
It is
will be?
24.2.
20?
4.28.
24.2. Let me take. Okay.
Okay.
2% test cases failed. Okay. So
Mhm.
if you want to make it 100 minus that one, how much? 24.2.
75.7.
75.7.
7.
Okay. Test cases passed.
Mm.
Can I go for the next testing? No. Again, I should tell the developer to fix these defects.
Mhm.
Got it. So the total number of test cases passed should be more than 80%.
Mhm.
Then only my
Mhm.
exit criteria will match.
Mhm.
So how the entry criteria, if you have all these things, no, then only you can do entry. If you want to exit from the functional testing, if you want to close
Okay.
the functional testing, the
Yeah.
defects must be fixed more than this much. How many? 17 is there? No,
Yeah.
I think still you need to fix another 4 or 5 defects.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Then only you can exit from the functional testing. Now see
Yeah.
how beautifully my integration testing is there. Integration testing. Okay. So if you are doing integration testing means first you have to have the requirement. Yes or no?
Yes.
First you should have the requirement, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Then coding should be done, right? White box testing should be done. Software should be developed. Smoke testing
Yeah.
should be done. Functional testing should be done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So functional testing should be done.
Yeah.
See how the sentence I will write. Functional testing should be done and exit criteria of functional testing should match to the entry criteria of integration testing. So what I have written here is, if you want to do the integration testing, okay, if you want to do the integration testing, functional testing should be done and the exit criteria of functional testing should be proper.
Proper. Yeah.
Then only you can go for the entry criteria of the integration testing.
Yeah.
If you want to enter the integration testing, anyhow, these things are already done in the functional testing only. You have
Yeah.
checked all these things. But if you want to go for integration testing, the passing percentage is there. No, this should be above 80% is we have decided. We have decided means the defect must be fixed.
Yeah.
Defect how developer can fix whenever you are finding the defects. If he is not fixing the defect, I will conduct the bug triage meeting.
Correct.
That time I will communicate him, hey, you have to fix these many defects. Now Prerna told some count. I think, sir, you have taken 17 instead of 17. I think 14 is the criteria. Maybe 70, 14 divided by 70 into 100. How much? 14 divided by 70. No. 14.
Divided by 70 is 0.2.
Okay. Into 100. 20. What is happening for my calculation, guys? One time I'm getting, one time I'm not getting. Okay, percentile I'm adding 70 into 100. No, 17 by 70. We got something like 0.2. Similarly, 14 divided by 70, we should get, 9.8, okay, into 100. 980. What is 980? Okay, is equal to into 100. Oh, boss, how it is coming, boss? 14 divided by 70, 0.2. You guys do it once again.
Yes, sir, it is correct. 14 divided by 70 is 0.2 only.
Then 26 divided by 70 is 0.3. Yes, that is correct. 17 divided by 70 into 100. 24. Similarly, instead of 17, let me make 14. We are getting 20. Okay, it means 20%, guys. Directly it is showing. It is not showing any decimal. So I'm thinking how it is possible. Shit. So 20% is failed.
Yeah.
It means 100 minus 20, how much?
80.
80%,
80.
no?
Yeah.
So 80% means what? Test
Passed.
case pass. So then
Yeah.
I can close my functional testing, no?
Correct.
Got it. I'm just
Yeah.
waiting for decimals. So it is not showing decimals. It is perfectly divided. Okay. So it
Yeah.
is showing us 20%. Got it.
Yeah.
So then only I can go for my integration testing.
Yeah.
Understood? Huh?
Yeah.
So similarly, if you want to do exit criteria from the integration testing, of integration testing, how you can plan of the integration testing means total test cases executed, total test cases executed to the total number of test cases passed, percentage should be more than 85%. Got it?
Okay.
And if you want to go for system testing, no, there should not be any blocker defects. Got it? And there should not be any blockers. Now, directly I'm telling the developer that if you are having a blocker defects, no, then we will not do any testing. So when we are doing the integration testing, the defects should be like no blocker. Blocker count should be 0. Critical, you might find because data flows mismatch will be there. 1 or 2, you will find. Major, some 4, 8 will be there, or 8. It might be more, guys. I'm just taking an example, okay? Minor will be 10. Just an example I'm taking, okay? It may be less than that or more than that. That is there in the company. In company, we can check. Now, again, the same formula we should use. Total number of defects. Got it? These are the defects. How many defects? 10 plus 8, 20. Total 20 defects, okay? 20. Let me take, I have written around the integration test cases total test cases written 80. Okay. How many I have written? 80 I have written. Total test cases executed. How sir executed will be less means you will not get a time, no. You will carry forward the test cases in the next test cycle. Got it? Or somewhere in the future you will be having some test cases always pending. So around 65 you are executed. Okay. So if you executed 65, in the 20 is failed. 20 minus 20 divided by 65 into 100. How much?
20 divided by
65 into
is
100. 30% minus 100. So it will be 69 again. So 69% of test cases passed. So can I go for my exit? Can I exit from the testing? Can I go for the system testing? Not possible.
No.
Unless it will be 85%.
85%. Yeah.
Got it? Understood? Huh? So total
Yes.
number of test cases you have written 100. In that 70
100.
test cases are executed.
Right.
Executed will be 70 test cases. Here 80 written, you have executed 65. In the 65 only you found this many number of defects. So what you can do to entry criteria of the system testing, the defect should be fixed. More than this, I think one critical should be there. Major should be 3. Minor should be 8 or 5. The defect count should be keep on decreasing. How can you make it? So finding defect is not your job now. Convincing developer to fix it or allowing him to fix it, or I don't know how you are planning, but developer should fix. Then only you can go for the system testing.
Yes, sir.
Again, entry criteria for system testing. Requirement should be there, coding should be done, white box testing should be done, software should be developed, smoke testing should be done, functional testing should be done, integration testing. Okay, same.
Yeah.
Integration testing should be done, and exit criteria of integration testing should be matched with the entry criteria of the system testing.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So it is exit criteria is above 85%. Then only I can go for my system testing. And
Right.
condition says there should not be any blocker defect. If there is one blocker defect also, I can't go. If it is
Right.
19%, 1% is the blocker defect, I will not go.
Yeah.
That has to be fixed. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Similarly, in the company, they will plan this before only.
Yeah.
Understood? Got the clarity?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
calculation and all, no, this we
Yeah.
have to do. No, in the
Okay.
company leads will do. Got it? But
Okay.
you should know how we will do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what I have to do is here I can, how much it is, like 2 plus 3 9 17 what I should make 70 minus 17 into 100 also I can do directly. I will get the 62%. I have done like this in a reversible way. I have done and I have given you the answer. Anything is fine. Okay, now
Yeah.
take the screenshot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Done.
Yeah. Done.
Done.
Done. Hello.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah, I got a call from company. So
Mm-hmm.
so entry and exit criteria you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
So always entry criteria. So let me give an example for that. Functional testing, integration testing, system testing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let me copy this. Let me paste this. So if tap and go, copy. Okay. So let me take this as entry.
okay.
This is exit. So how the graph will work means always exit should match with the entry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, exit should match with the entry.
Yes.
Got it. This is the criteria. This is how you have to do the testing. So this exit is not matching, no?
Yeah.
This exit is not matching, then you will not connect.
Okay.
Similarly, for all the testing, some criteria will be there. Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is just a simple example for you guys to understand. So exit criteria of smoke testing, again, smoke testing will be then entry criteria functional testing.
Got it.
Got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just take on screenshot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
So the entry and exit criteria is done, right?
Yes.
Okay, next what is there?
Test automation.
Test automation. I will give you an example for test automation. Okay,
Mhm.
test automation. Tomorrow what I'll do, next class,
Mhm.
I will connect from my old laptop
Okay.
where I have done some basic Selenium script that I will show you. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is automation first of all? Okay, I will give you a best idea now.
Mhm.
So let me go to any of the application. Okay, go to any application. Okay, so this is the one of the component. Okay, this is the button. See here.
Yeah.
You should click, right click. You should click on inspect.
Yes.
If you click on inspect, you will get something like this. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a code.
Yeah.
So if you see here, if I am doing something here in the code, there it is highlighting.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yeah.
So here, find by string, selector or XPath, something is there.
Yeah.
So here you can find the XPath of this particular element. Okay.
Yeah.
So here what you have to do, there are something, some attributes that you have to type to get the particular XPath of this particular element.
Okay. Yeah.
Once you get that XPath, no, then your cursor will automatically it will locate this element in this
Okay.
page, because for each and every particular button, XPath will vary. Like how? See here. Now I am in this particular thing. See, here you observe here. Okay. I am in DIV class, so it is highlighting the location. If I am coming little bit down, it is delivery to India. If I am coming little bit down, it is selecting only India. So see here. So this is how the reading is going on.
Okay.
Okay. So we have to select each and every XPath of each and every action. We should create a script. Got it? So once you create the script and if you run by using a language called as Selenium, why I'm using Selenium means because it is a web application. Web
Yes.
application can be tested by using Selenium. If you are doing the testing of Android application or APK file, then your Selenium will not work. Okay, there is something called as APM. You should use that. Okay, so what you have to do means you have to use this particular language. You should create a framework. Okay, there are several frameworks, but in that test NG is one of the framework. Okay, I use this test NG to create something. There are something called as Cucumber framework. Got it. So there are many, and you have a hybrid framework.
Okay.
Got it. So many frameworks are there. So framework is matlab something. It is a topic. Based on this topic, you will going to test. Based on this topic, you will going to test. Based on this topic, or instead of topic, I can call logic. Got it. Based on this particular test engine logic, I can do Selenium test. By using Selenium with this framework, I can test my application.
Got it.
Now, in the test plan, I am deciding whether I have to go for Selenium or APM. How will you get to know based on the type of application? So you have selected Selenium. So I need to go for TestNG framework, or I have to go for Cucumber framework, or I have to go for hybrid. How we will decide? Got it. So everything it is decided in the company. Few companies will use only TestNG. Many companies nowadays they are using Cucumber framework. So that is again left to them. They can take anything, but as an automation test engineer, you should be aware of how to write the code for test engineer also, Cucumber also, hybrid also. Got it? It
Mhm.
means some logics only change, okay? No need of thinking those or is it big? No, it is not big, okay? Some logics will be changed. X path, getting X path or writing the script will remain same. But
Mhm.
execution of the script, it is based on TestNG or it is based on Cucumber will slightly change.
Okay.
Inside whatever the code you will write, everything will be same. Coding will be same. Outlook
Mhm.
of the code maybe TestNG or maybe Cucumber, okay?
Mhm.
So this is testing automation. We will select the particular language and also we will select the particular framework to do the testing. That is test automation.
So, sir,
Understood?
here language is Java, JavaScript.
Java or Python or anything will be the languages.
Okay.
Okay. So
And sir,
Selenium will support for 14 languages, no?
yeah,
Yeah.
you're correct. Sir, just out of curiosity, what's the
Hmm.
difference between JavaScript and Java?
JavaScript, no.
Uh-huh.
This whatever I have, you are seeing, 1 second. Whatever you
Yeah.
are seeing here,
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
okay. This front end code they have written by using JavaScript.
Okay.
Okay.
This Amazon, whatever you are seeing visually,
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Mhm.
or that is JavaScript.
Mhm.
Okay.
Java means the basic Java. Okay. There you
Mhm.
can't do all these codings and all.
Okay.
Whatever you are looking here, that will be done by using the JavaScript.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. We will
Okay.
call web technology also. Web
Okay.
technology is used for developing the front end of the software.
Hmm.
There will be
Okay.
front end, middleware, and the back end. No, in the front end
Right.
will be developed by the JavaScript.
Hmm.
Okay. Got it, sir. Yeah.
Or there is something called as React.js, Node.js, so many
Mhm.
codings.
Mhm.
Everything again
Mhm.
comes under the. So everything you can learn based on the basic Java only. If you
Okay.
don't know
Oh.
the Java, core Java or basic Java,
Mhm.
then you
Mhm.
can't do anything.
Correct.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot.
Yeah.
Test automation is done, right?
Yes, sir.
So next, let us see
Templates.
deliverables. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 12, I think, sir, the 13th is templates.
Template. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no. Deliverables will be next one.
14th.
Last one will be
Yeah.
the templates. Okay.
Okay. So I think
Oh,
you told
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
That's
Just a
okay.
minute, guys. Just a minute.
Sure.
Okay. So deliverables. What do you mean by deliverables? Something you will deliver to the customer.
Mhm.
Okay. That is what
Yeah.
we'll call it as a deliverables.
Mhm.
Deliverables are a set of documents which we will give to the customer
Mhm.
along with the software is called as deliverables.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it? So
Mhm.
what and all we will give? Let us see now. What are the deliverables we'll give? Let us see. First, these are the outputs or outcomes from the testing team. This section
Mhm.
consists of what are going to give to the customer by the end of the project. Okay,
Mhm.
deliverables are some documents. What are the documents? Test plan document will give. Okay, whatever
Mhm.
the test scenarios you have written, test cases you have written, that will give. Traceability matrix, whatever we have done, that will give what is traceability matrix. I will guide you. Okay,
Okay.
test scripts, automation scripts, what you have written, that will give. Test case execution reports. Reports means whether it is passed, failed, that will give. Defect reports we will give. Release notes we will give. Graphics, graphs and matrices we will give.
Matrix. Mhm.
So you guys know already test plan.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Anyhow, you are studying that. We'll give
Mhm.
test scenario, test cases. You know,
Yeah.
test script will be automation engineers. They will write the scripts that I will show in the next class. Next up, test case execution report.
Mhm.
Whether it is pass or fail, that
Mhm.
report will be there, no? So that
Mm.
will give
Yeah.
defect reports, how many defects we found, how many are fixed, everything with the status, everything will give. Release
Mhm.
notes will give, and
Mhm.
graphics and matrices will give. What
Yeah.
graphs and matrices? What do you mean by graphs? Means you can
Mhm.
see how many test cases are passed. Some graph will be there.
Mhm.
How many defects are fixed? Again, the graph will come down.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
Yeah.
these graphs and all will be automatically generated by our tools.
Oh.
Okay. If you are doing the activity, daily activities are going on, the graph automatically based on the pass fail statuses, no? It will
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
automatically get updated.
Okay.
Got it?
So
Yeah.
it's in Jira, sir, right?
Yeah, it's in Jira, it's in ALM, it's in every tool, all the
Okay.
tools,
Okay.
not only in Jira. Okay.
Mhm.
Any tool
Okay.
you take, some graphs will be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Similarly, matrix also. It is
Mhm.
also something like looks like a graph. This and
Mhm.
all, no need of worrying. Okay. This
Okay.
and all company will do. You just know what is writing the test scenario. So what
Test
is
case.
traceability matrix, how to execute defect report.
Mhm.
So what do you mean by release notes? Okay. I told you something, release notes is very important to release the
Yeah.
software. This is a
Yeah.
notes which will be signed by the test manager. Okay.
Okay.
This is also one of the document that we will give to the customer along with the software.
Signature test match.
Yeah,
Okay.
along with the
Mhm.
software. So
Okay.
again, what and all it consists of? Let us see.
Mhm.
So release notes, what and all it consists of?
Mhm.
Now, these are the set of documents which will give to the customer along with the software, which
Mhm.
is signed off by the test manager.
Mhm.
Release notes consist of lists of pending and open defects. It means how many defects we are not fixed basically.
Mhm.
Customer should know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So always there should be only P3 type of defect should be there, priority 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also it should be minor,
Yeah.
keep in your mind. So in your defect, whatever the list of open defects will send, no, the defects
Yeah.
should be always minor or P3 type of defects.
Yes.
Platforms on which the software is tested. It means Windows 10 you have tested, Windows 11 we have tested, where and all the compatibility testing is done.
Uh-huh.
In which platforms we have tested the software. That
Okay.
we have to mention.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes,
Platforms
sir.
on which software is not tested. I'm
Okay.
not tested in the Chrome. I will tell. I'm not tested in the
Firefox.
Copilot.
Mm.
I'm not tested in something. Where is that Windows Firefox? Something will be there. Edge.
Yeah.
Okay. I think something Edge is there. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm not tested here. I'm not tested here. I'm not tested here. Like that, I need to mention.
Yeah.
List of the features added, deleted, modified.
Yeah.
Whenever customer is giving the requirement, either he will add, or he will remove, or he will modify. Apart from that, can he do anything? No, right? But
No.
in Agile, we told you the requirements are keep on changing.
Yeah.
Requirements are keep on changing means either they are adding, or they are removing, or they are doing the modification.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Same
Yeah.
thing.
Yep.
List of features, like what are the added features, deleted features, modified features. Next, a procedure to install the software. It means if you buy a TV or if you buy a fridge, they will give one book for you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
The user manual will call.
Yep. Yep.
Similarly,
Yeah.
how to install the software, that also will be mentioned. So which version now we have? If I'm releasing R1 for the first release, that mention, I will mention that. R2, if it is second release. If you guys know already, Iron Man movie 1 came. That is the first release.
Yeah.
No, that version is R1.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Iron Man 2 came. It means release number 2. So
Second
version
release.
number 2. Got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Similarly, list of the defects fixed in the current release found in the previous release production server. In the previous release production server, how many defects we found? Customer found. That how many we are fixed. All the
Okay.
details we will give to the customer. Boss,
Okay.
you found 4 defects. No, the defects are fixed. See. Release notes means full clarification for the customer.
Yeah.
Got it? So
Yeah.
deliverables means complete clarity, what and all testing we have done.
Yeah.
Because developer no need of giving any documents because he is giving the software directly. No,
Yeah.
nobody will ask the documentation from the developers because the software only deliverable. But testing team, no. So these many things are there for the deliverables. In that, release notes is also one of the thing.
Okay.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, take the screenshot.
Yeah.
Done.
Done.
Okay. Now templates. You guys know templates already.
Oh, I'm so
What
sorry,
are the
sir. Do
templates
we-
you guys?
Sir, for release notes, we could
Yeah,
not
we
take
still have to
screenshot.
take a screenshot for that.
No
Yeah, the
worries,
bottom.
take.
Done.
Yeah.
Done. Very good. So now let us see templates. You guys know already defect report.
Yes.
That is template.
Yeah.
I have given you a general template where if you go to any company, you can survive with my
Correct.
template. Okay. There is one more test case template where how to write the test case, everything
Yeah.
is given. There are some templates for test plan also. Okay. Test plan template will be created by the test lead. Again, it is depending upon the tool. Got it?
Yeah.
So test case execution report. Execution report means number of, you will get something like serial number of test written, number of test cases passed, number of test cases failed, number of test cases executed, number of test cases not executed, total number of test cases or pass percentage of the test cases.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Something like that you will get in the execution report.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is also one template. So
Yeah.
this template previously manually we used to generate when we used to write the test cases in the Excel.
Oh,
Now
okay.
tools are there. Just there is a one button called as execution report. Click. It will tell, can I download in a Excel format or can I download in a Google Sheet format or some other format,
Okay.
Word format. If you select any format, no, it will download. The file will be download. You can open, you can check. No need of creating by yourself manually, doing calculations and all.
Yeah.
Many templates will be there, but for a test engineer, what is required? Defect report template and also the test case
Test
template
case.
is very important. There is
Yeah.
something called as traceability matrix template also. This is company. Okay, in the company they will do all these things. Traceability matrix template will be there. That also we need to check or we have to edit. So traceability matrix again, it will be done by the test lead. So you should know. See, template is nothing guys. Simply filling some data into the template
Yeah.
in an organized manner. One
Correct.
time if you see it, no, then you will understand what is it.
Yeah.
Defect report also same thing, no? You've seen one time, now you can do any defect report. But what you have to fill is the matter. Similarly, I will teach you traceability matrix. Later you will understand what to fill. Test case though you guys already know. You guys are writing daily.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that also you know how to fill. Got it? So
Yeah.
for a
Yeah.
test engineer, we need only defect report template and test case template. This already I have given.
Yeah.
So then I can tell our test plan is completed.
Okay.
So who will write the test plan?
The test manager.
lead.
Test
Who will
lead.
write? Who will approve?
The test
Test
manager.
BA.
Who will
Test
help?
manager.
We will help. Got it. We will help
Yeah.
how many percentage? Only 20%. In your
Yes.
company, who will help? Your seniors will help.
Yeah.
No need of worrying. Got it. So
Yeah.
test cases, test plan is done. Basically, guys, see, SDLC is a basic to
Yeah.
understand Agile. Okay,
Yeah.
you got
Mhm.
clarity. SDLC, so clarity you got. Next,
Yeah.
software testing. You know white box and black box.
Yeah.
You know black box testing. Who will do, what types are there, how many types are there, everything you got it. So software testing is done. Later, test cases chapter was there, that is still done. You know
Yeah.
how to write test cases.
Yeah.
Next, we have something called as defect life cycle.
Mhm.
Yes.
You understood the defect life cycle very well. Now, test plan. So to do all these things, we have to plan.
Yeah.
So test plan is done.
Mhm.
Now there is something called as STLC.
Yeah.
You have to do everything that is called as STLC.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yes,
Test
sir.
plan also include that is STLC.
Yeah.
This everything, all the chapters, software testing life cycle. It means life cycle means what? Life flow of the test
From
engineer. No?
beginning to end,
Yeah.
everything.
So from beginning to end, or from the
Yeah.
beginning to end, what and all is there that I will just give you an update. Okay,
Mhm.
high level, high level. I will do all the revision. That will be your STLC.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So next class I will show you some automation script if possible. Along with that, I will start doing STLC. It will be hardly required 2 classes or
Okay.
3.
Okay.
So 3 or 4 classes done. Your course is done.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you asked before 25th, no? So before 25th, I can finish.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So